There's our house. And here are the black swans that just came down Lake Avenue and decided to say hello. Okay, they're gonna cross. They're like, we're crossing. You can't stop us.
Aw, you okay?
Okay, are they gonna go down the steps? Okay, go out and stop that car. Hello. Okay. You want some more bread?
Hey, you want some more food?
Okay. Shall we go home? That's so awesome. That was great.